What's up, guys? We have the new KTM connectivity unit and GPS kit here from AOMC. That includes your fender, your GPS antenna kit, and your connectivity unit right here. So we're going to go ahead and get these installed on my 2023 450 SXF. You got to make sure you have the newest map, and your Bluetooth unit's going to connect right here. We've got our specific fender. The Red Bull stuff's finally coming off after all this time. Let's go get this stuff installed, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like, and we'll download the app and all that stuff. Alright guys, we've got her installed. So, pretty easy job. You got this strap right here that holds the Bluetooth unit on. That's going to connect. It's going to have one large connector here. It's going to have one small connector, and then it's going to have one connector that's just capped. You're going to zip tie those up to your kind of harness holder here. You're going to put your other front fender on. It's going to come with some Velcro, but I don't see what the point or where it was needed. You pop this cover on and it holds this firmly, and there's a T20 Torx bolt that comes up through the bottom and holds this firmly. Like I said, get that all zip tied up, and then you're going to download the My KTM app. And it's all pretty self-explanatory from there. You connect to this unit just like you do any other Bluetooth device on your phone. Then you go to the app and connect to it in the app as well. You press the button here to kind of fire it up. You press the button for 1.5 seconds, and that Bluetooth light will start blinking in the pairing mode. And that's all I had to do to get it going. And then in the next video, I'll kind of show you guys what the app looks like and kind of the stuff you can do in there. So I'm definitely excited to play with this thing and try it out.